In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a OneDrive shared folder in Windows Explorer. This guide will help you easily access folders shared with you on OneDrive directly through Windows Explorer, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. First, let's start by logging into your Microsoft account. This step is crucial as your OneDrive is directly linked to it, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be at the home page of your Microsoft account, where you'll find a range of app icons. Look for the Apps Launcher. The icon typically resembles a small grid or a group of small squares. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu displaying all the available Microsoft services. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and select OneDrive. This will take you to your OneDrive storage space where all your files and folders are stored. Now, since we're focusing on folders that have been shared with you by others, we need to navigate to the Shared section. This area is specifically designed to hold all the files and folders that others have shared with you via OneDrive. In the Shared section, look for the option Shared with You. Click on it to view all the folders and files that have been shared with you. Once you are in this view, you will see the various items listed. Find the specific folder you wish to access. Simply click on the folder to select it. With the desired folder selected, you'll notice an option that reads Add Shortcut to My Files. Clicking this will conveniently create a shortcut of the shared folder within your own OneDrive space. This is an effective way to integrate shared content into your file system without duplicating the data, saving both space and time. Now let's shift to Windows Explorer. Open your File Explorer, and in the left panel where all your drives and folders are listed, find the OneDrive folder. This is the central hub for your cloud-stored files on your local system. Navigate into the OneDrive folder, and you should now notice the newly added shortcut to the shared folder. This integration allows you to easily access its contents directly from your File Explorer as if it were any other local folder. By following these steps, you've effectively added a shared OneDrive folder directly into Windows Explorer, simplifying access and organization of shared files. This setup is especially useful for collaborative work, ensuring you're always ready to access shared resources with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this method useful in streamlining your file management between OneDrive and Windows Explorer.